Hi, I am Gail of 876 Documents. I help Jamaicans in the US obtain passport, and I always say and other documents. But what are they? Well, I got a question on Instagram recently asking what are the other services that I offer. I help Jamaicans in the US renew, replace, or get a Jamaican passport for the first time. But I also help you with obtaining your marriage certificate, birth certificate. I assist with Jamaican citizenship, that is Jamaican citizenship, and I can help you with your deed poll. I have done correction of error of names. So pretty much that. I do not do Jamaican driver's license, and I do not do Jamaican visas. I also do not do American visas. That's an American document. I don't do American documents. I am a document preparer. Now, someone asked me recently, um, what are the benefits of getting the Jamaican citizenship, or what are the benefits for them of getting the Jamaican citizenship? It's a question that I do not like to answer. I did a Facebook Live where I spent, maybe it was a couple hours I was live talking about the benefits of being a Jamaican citizen. However, I think if you come to me to ask for my help in obtaining Jamaican citizenship, you should already know why you want it. There are many benefits to it, but you should know why you want it. Sometimes I feel like from the comments that I've gotten on TikTok that persons are asking, and not this specific applicant who called me recently, but persons have been almost asking me to convince them that becoming a Jamaican citizen is something necessary or something that they should do. That is a decision for you. Um, if you come to me, you should already know why you want it. I'm a document preparer. Jamaica is such an amazing island. I shouldn't have to sell it to you. Anyway, I am Gail, and I help Jamaicans in the US get Jamaican documents, not including a driver's license or a Jamaican visa. All right, thank you for watching.